Because Disneyland's like, you know what, you two, get out.
Get out. You're having too much fun. Get out.
Travelers in buckets, please remain seated as your flight will continue in a moment. Those travelers awaiting departure, please remain where you are, and the host or hostess will direct you.
Alright, Mike, it's 4 o'clock. We are done with our ratatouille meal. 5 hours from now, we're going to see what we can do here at Disneyland after dark.
Yes! First ride of the day, Winnie the Pooh.
So,
20-minute wait for Winnie the Pooh, and that's how you know it's a busy day today. 20 minutes.
It's 20 minutes, but I think it's 20 minutes is because Splash has just come back up from renovation, and it is being a little brat right now. It's just not working out right. So I think everybody went from Splash over to Pooh, and that's what caused the line to be good. But we're gonna try to get on Splash Mountain. We're gonna try.
Despite it being super cold.
Yeah, it's so cold right now. So it was 20 minutes. We got in line at like 4:05. It's 4:13. So yeah, pretty good.
We're about to walk on to Pooh.
But it's going to be going down pretty soon, and I think we're going to be getting the new red lady, the new redhead.
Oh yeah.
Like Orlando has already. So when that happens, we'll come back and check it out to see if it's the same, do a comparison.
Okay, so we are gonna go to Fantasyland and ride some dark rides because, as you know, me and Bree and Jackie love us some dark rides.
Dark rides. And then, yes, so right at 5:10, we're going to be hitting Thunder Mountain, and then as we were walking out from the Critter Country area, it was 4:41, and we hit the time where I could get a new Fastpass. So I selected a new Fastpass, and we will be going on Indiana Jones Adventure at 8:05 tonight. So it's a little bit later in the evening, but that's fine. And it also tells me I can get another Fastpass at 6:41. So we'll see what's available.
The main thing about this MAXPASS is it saves you time. You don't have to go up to that ride and actually get the ticket. You can make your selection from anywhere in this park and the other park. So definitely utilize that tool. It's really efficient, but that's all it is. You still have to wait. You still have to wait to get another pass. You still have to wait for your time. So it's not that the MAXPASS is like giving you faster times when you can go on your ride. It's just it's efficient and it's super easy to make a selection anywhere in the park.
We may only get 2 MAXPASSes today, but you know what?
It's a super
That's
busy
fine.
day.
It's super busy. It's later in the evening. We've already had an amazing day with the Ratatouille and talking with the Augie and everything. So, you know what? I'm like not disappointed at all. Let's go. Dark rides.
Dark ride. We will not be able to do Peter Pan. It's always too crazy for Peter Pan, but maybe Mr. Toad's Wild Ride? We'll see. I don't know.
Maybe. So we said we were gonna do Peter. Mike didn't want to do Peter. We're doing Peter.
I want to do Peter. I just didn't know how long the wait was going to be.
I know. But Peter says it's 40 minutes. It's 4:47 right now. So we're gonna actually see how long the line is, and then we're gonna have to hit those 2 fast passes right after because this is gonna go into our fast pass time. All right. So we're basically at the front of the line. We got in at 4:47. So we're at 5. Say, Mike?
13.
5:13. So it's pretty much on the mark of what the
On point.
what it said.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
All right, we are off of Peter Pan quality dark ride. I'm gonna tell you straight up, I've been here at park opening from the get-go.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, right? Dark ride is also super packed always is Roger Rabbits, which we did on the last video that we're not going to put up because the quality wasn't good. But maybe if the editor Jackie wants to show it right now.
Here you go. Nice speed.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
You won't get away with this point in the dick, boys. Well back.
So yeah, welcome back to the vlog. That Bree got super sick from that. That spinning was just
spin. Mike lied to me. There's lies.
I did not lie. I just said I might spin Roger Rabbits, and she may or may not get sick. So yeah.
Next time I'm just gonna puke on you.
Okay, so we're doing Thunder Mountain right now. We do have a max pass for this at 5:40, right?
Well, 5:10.
5:10, my bad.
At 5:10, so it's already 5:23. We just got off of Peter and...
Bree, what's the lenient wait times? Like, how later can you go after the posted Fastpass time?
So it's an hour. So you have 5:10. I have 5:10 to 6:10 to get on this ride. So it's not really about rushing to get on it.
But you do want to make sure you get on it.
But you need to get within that hour. I know way back in the days we used to be like, whatever, you got a Fastpass ticket, you can go. That is not the case anymore. All right, you need to be within your hour. Now things do happen and there are case by case exceptions made, but
treat it just like a regular Fastpass.
treat it like you got the
Your
hour.
return time, just return within an hour of that time.
Yep. When you're ready to get your Fastpass out, just get back into the app, go to see all plans, and Big Thunder Mountain just showed up because we are ready. 5:10 to 6:10, you're just gonna swipe through.
Ah, green, good.
And a 2, and away we go.
fun, much thrills. Now we're doing Alice in Wonderland. Are you ready?
Ready. Alright, we just got off of Thunder. We're doing Alice. We're in line for Alice now. Let's start there.
30-minute wait.
We're in line for Alice. It's a 30-minute wait. That's pretty good. And
I love this ride. This is like one of my favorite rides, so I'm really excited because I don't usually go on it because the line's always too long, but today it's not too bad.
do you know what? I'm thinking that the fact that the parade rolls in 20 minutes is helping us out a little bit. So that's something you have to keep in mind when you come to Disneyland at night.
The camera's here.
I know, right? I'm sorry. Something you have to keep in mind at night. Are you here to watch the parades and the fireworks, or do you want to take advantage and take the rides because there'll be less people? Decisions.
Rabbit? Well, see for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
It went this way. No, that way.
I think today is my birthday too. Oh, my goodness.
So it's feeling like a dark ride kind of day, and the entertainment is starting to get in full swing, so these lines are shortening just a little bit. We're in line for Toads right now. This is about a 20-minute wait. So we're pretty good, and usually what we found out in the Pixar video is that after 6, people kind of conglomerate right there at Main Street waiting for the fireworks. So that's something to think about.
Guilty! I know that is all!
Well, we have a Fastpass for Haunted Mansion at 7. We could totally hit Pirates, I think.
Some big words.
I'm ambitious. Okay.
Boot beer.
So this is the root beer float that you can get at the Golden Horseshoe. Remember on opening day, Pixar night, this place was packed. Look at it now. Okay, it's close to 7 o'clock. People are still watching that parade at 6:34. This root beer float is gonna run you almost $17.49, so it's gonna run you about 18 bucks. But you do get this boot. The root beer is delicious. The ice cream here at the Golden Horseshoe is always good because it's actually scooped ice cream. And the question has been answered. Yes, it does say Andy on the bottom.
There's a snake in my boot.
So, right. So
it is now getting a little cold. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but it's getting very cold.
It is cold. It is cold. So we're now debating whether we want to do Splash or not. I might be crazy enough to do it.
Me too.
Maybe. The thing is like it's not just cold right now. It's windy. The high was 69 today, which is a perfect weather.
I don't know what you guys are thinking. Like, hey, Fractured Compass crew, why would you be doing Splash Mountain? Why not?
Because we're crazy.
Okay.
Just for you.
Anywho, we are here at Haunted Mansion. We got a fast pass for 7 o'clock, so we are going on in. We're probably gonna hit up Splash Mountain and then head on over to Indiana Jones for some good old rough and tough and ball dodging times.
Woo!
If that makes sense.
Ball dodging, huh?
So guess what? We're stupid and we're gonna go on Splash Mountain today. Why? Because a ride is a ride is a ride is a ride.
It's about 53 degrees with wind right now. And we haven't done it the entire time we've been doing these videos.
And we like to party.
Okay.
So they are currently evacuating people off the logs. If you zoom in right there, the ride broke down right before we were loading on. So no Splash Mountain today. The universe doesn't want us to go on it, but we are probably going to do Pirates and then Indy. So let's do Pirates and Indy.
Yeah, and then we're gonna probably go over to Tomorrowland, but I guess the universe said no.
They're all walking down their logs.
Splash broke down, obviously. You have to make a plan B when Splash breaks down. You can't, or whatever ride breaks down. So we're here at Pirates because we can't go on Indy for another 20 minutes. We have an 8:05 Fastpass for that.
And now, you bilge rats, do I hear 6? Who makes it 6? I'm not sponging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Strike your colors, you brazen wench. No need to expose your superstructure. Come on now.
What's up, guys? Okay, so we had a fast pass for Indiana Jones, and instead of it saying Indiana Jones, it says multiple experiences. What that means is that the ride must have broken down, something must have happened, and this is a freebie to redeem at any attraction. We can go on any ride of our choosing because that ride broke down, and it's kind of like a courtesy. So we're gonna go and figure out what we want to ride.
So we're at Space Mountain. It's 8:30. This was not the plan, but Indy broke down. So we got the multiple experiences, came over to space. We gotta make a plan B.
That's a good decision too. And this is probably going to be our last ride. So
We'll see.
on that note, how much we rode 9, 10 rides?
No,
9.
no, right.
8?
8.
8 total rides today.
Taking our time.
Taking our time, lollygagging. So it was overall a really successful day. We started at 4. It's about almost 9 o'clock now. So yeah.
8 rides in. So you guys, today has been the day for rides to break down. We just got off of Space Mountain by the skin of our teeth. Not that I would have been mad if we had stopped inside Space Mountain, because we totally would have filmed that, but we literally pulled into the station as it broke down.
We were the last cart, and then we got out, broke down. So, good way to end the day, but I think that is a sign that we should probably end the day.
Yeah.
Because Disneyland's like, you know what, you two, get out.
Get out. You're having too much fun. Get out.
In a holding pattern. Travelers in rockets, please remain seated as your flight will continue in moments. Those travelers awaiting departure, please remain where you are, and a host or hostess will direct you.